So I bought something and I have been using it for the past 2 weeks, and I want to do a review on it because I think it has great potential. Plus it allows me to do a couple things I wasn't able to do before having this product. Yeah. So today we don't have a long intro. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dagniel, and today I'm gonna do a review on the Deity DUO. Wait, what's the name? The Deity D4 DUO. Yeah, that's the name. For those that don't know, the Deity D4 DUO is actually a microphone for your camera, and if you want to hear a mic test, you can watch this entire video because I'm actually recording this video with this microphone. And if you want to listen a little bit more to me using this microphone, you can watch my past 2 videos, which I also recorded it with this microphone right there. This is the microphone. So first, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then I'm gonna explain the features and the reason I bought this specific microphone. So inside the box, you get a quick start guide, basically paperwork that nobody reads. Then you get the actual mic, which comes with 2 dead cats. Yeah, dead cats. That's what they call the thing that stops the wind from blowing the microphone. I don't know who named that thing that, but let's move on. You also get the shock mount or microphone stand. Last but not least, you get the cable to connect the microphone to your camera. Let's start with the build quality. This microphone feels light, but it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. It has a nice matte finish with a lot of glossy spots. It's small, but don't let that fool you.
That's what she said.
The mic quality, spoiler alert, as I said earlier, I already have tested it on the past 2 videos, and the mic sounds good. It actually has good quality for the price and for the size of the microphone. So if this video is not enough for you to tell if the microphone is good or not, you can watch my other 2 videos. In fact, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so that it's easy for you to click on them and you don't have to scroll on YouTube and search for it, and it's easy. Just go to the description, you can click on them. I appreciate it. Honestly, the quality of the mic is so good that when I edit my videos, I can actually tweak the EQ, like EQ, and put some effects on my microphone so that it sounds better. And for this microphone, I don't have to do too much. I just need to add like EQ to make the sound better. But I don't need to be tweaking it a lot so that it sounds like a totally different microphone. So the quality is very good, and the quality is very good right out of the box. Like, the microphone is plugged into the camera. It's not doing anything weird. I just have a cable straight out to the camera, and that's it. No computer, no nothing. That's it. Just a microphone and your camera, and you can record a video with clean audio. Yeah, this microphone is plug and play, meaning that right out of the box you don't need to do anything to the microphone. You just take the microphone, plug it to your camera, that's it. You have a great sounding microphone with a lot of quality, and yeah. This microphone doesn't require batteries, so you just need to plug it into the camera. I know I have already said it like 5 times already, but you don't need batteries with this one. There are other microphones that you need to use the like 2 AA batteries or 2 AAA batteries so it works. Sometimes you run out of battery, sometimes you forget to put the batteries on, and it's just a mess. Sometimes you turn it off, turn it on, you don't know if it's recording audio or not. This one, you just plug it to the camera, that's it. It doesn't need batteries, and it's always sending clean audio to your camera. So big brains. This microphone has a big feature, which I think it's the only microphone that has it. So if you can see, the microphone looks the same way on the front and on the back. And that's because it has a microphone on the front and on the back. Can you guess what's the purpose of two microphones? Leave it down in the comments. So yeah, this microphone looks the same way on the front and the back because it has two microphones, meaning that if you're gonna use it for blogging, you can record audio to the thing that you're recording, and you can record audio to you. You know, if you're pointing the camera to something, you have two microphones, one facing you, one facing the opposite direction. Same thing happens if you want to record yourself. You can have one, like you can use the front microphone to record yourself and shut off the microphone in the back. So you can use two microphones. You can put it so that you can use both, or you can use one. The reason for having two microphones is because I think it's meant for vloggers, because people, when they vlog, they have a microphone facing the thing that they're recording. With this microphone, you have the microphone pointing at the thing that you're recording, and you have a second microphone pointing at you. So you have a microphone at your disposal always, so that you have clean audio on both sides. I don't use my microphone to vlog with it because I haven't done anything interesting enough for me to vlog it. But if I ever travel or do something interesting for me to vlog it, I can actually use my microphone as a vlogging microphone. I have the ability to do it. Another feature that this microphone has is that it has an input jack, meaning that if you have a wireless microphone, you can actually connect it to that input jack. So you have a working microphone on your camera, meaning the front microphone, and you have a wireless microphone, so that if you're gonna, be far away from your camera, you don't have to rely on that microphone. You can rely on your wireless microphone. So you have clean audio either way. You don't have an excuse. If you have bad audio, it's because of you. It's not because the microphone. It's not because, you're far away. It's because of you. Pretty dope stuff. One of the biggest pros I found with this microphone, and the main reason I bought it, is because before I was recording my videos with my other good microphone, which is my Elgato Wave 3. Is the microphone that I use to stream. If you want to watch me stream, I'm on Twitch every single weekend, mainly Sundays, but yeah, go follow me over there. So that microphone is mounted to my desk, so every time that I wanted to record a video, I had to take it out of my desk and mount it somewhere else to be able to have a different setting, basically a different background for my videos, because I don't want to record my videos on the same place I stream, just to give it a different feel. So it was a hustle. I always had to take out my microphone, put it somewhere, bring extensions to my computer over to here. I had cables all over the place, and it was just something I didn't want to, do every single time I wanted to record a video. With this microphone, I just have my camera with a microphone. I just connect the microphone to the camera, and that's it. I don't have to set anything up. I don't have to move anything. It's just 20 minutes saved every single time I want to record a video. Also, if you're lost at any point in this video with the features, or have questions about this specific microphone or any microphone, you can go to my Twitch stream again, just if you want, or you can sub and leave a like, leave me a comment asking a question. So this microphone has a lot of cool features, and it has a lot of potential for a lot of people to create different types of content. And that's just a couple of ideas. I don't know everything that you can do with this microphone. If you want to give any ideas, leave them in the comments. I know I'm asking way too much in this video. I've already asked you guys to do things on the comment 3 times, but I'm desperate. I'm kidding. So I'm very excited about this microphone because, as I said earlier, I had to set up my microphone, my other microphone, and everything up, and spend 20 minutes before every single video. And you might be asking, oh my god, 20 minutes? Why are you gonna waste 20 minutes every time that you're gonna record a video. And to you, my friend, I answer because I take my quality very seriously. Like every single video I record, I want to make it as best as I can. And now with this microphone and a couple things I have bought to make that process faster, every time I'm gonna record a video, I just take like 1 to 2 minutes setting everything up. So I'm very happy with this microphone, the features that it has, and the things that it allows me to do. So I recommend it. So anybody that's considering buying this microphone, yeah, it's a great microphone to have. Also, Deity did not sponsor me to this video. I bought this with my own money, so you know, you don't you can use this video as a non-bias review. I don't get anything by doing this video. I just did it to show you guys that it's a great microphone either way, if you know you need it or not. So let me know what you think about this microphone in the comments, and let me know if I did a great job or a decent job at explaining the things that this microphone and the features that it has. So for more content in the future, like the video so that it does better in the algorithm. And yeah, all my socials are in the description. And as always, love you and have a great rest of your day or night.